Grab your mates and build a boat out of beer cans. Welcome to the annual Darwin Beer Can Regatta, where you and your mates race boats made out of beer cans to see who has the sturdiest and fastest boat. Each year, the event is held at Mindle Beach. Half the town turns up to support the locals and interstate groups that show up to race. The rules are simple. The boats must be made from recycled cans, cartons, or bottles, and there are a series of races and challenges to determine who has the fastest boat. The event started in 1974 by an innovative Darwin local who wanted to help clean up the streets, which were littered with beer cans all across town. 50 years later, and people now come from all over around Australia to enjoy this unique competition. Everyone crowds into the ocean to watch the boats race. The best boat this year was a ship made in Western Australia that they drove all the way to Darwin on the back of a truck. It held 5 or 6 men and they bloody killed it as they paddled out to the harbour and back. Sit back and enjoy the start of the race. There is a fair bit of cheating going on during each race. There's always people in the water pushing the boats along to give them a head start and get them home as fast as they can. But overall, it is a really family fun orientated day. They do raise money for different charities around the NT. It's a great way to give back, and each year there's some amazing boats. Check out some of the designs from the last couple of years. So next time you're in Darwin, make sure you get down to the Beer Can Regatta. If you enjoyed this video guys, please subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll see you all next time.